primetime news this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness to forego salary increase under the compensation package.
Can legal action be taken to stop politician pay hike? We'll explore.
And later, a look at the devastating impact of illegal fishing. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin has been reporting a steady decline in inflation. However, the Bank of Jamaica is saying expect prices to see further increases before returning to the BOJ's target range by the end of the year. I'll give the details of that and so much more a little later on in the business day.
Okay, and Jordan Fort is also here to give us a preview of what's to come in primetime sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, lots of changes in the news world, but World Athletics, the governing body for track and field in the world, is announcing changes to its format for the World Athletics Championships. Will it affect Jamaica's athletes? I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
And we had a little cooler in temperature this evening. So Romain is here to tell us what's coming up in the weather report and forecast.
Yes, we did. Thanks, Andrea. We are also expecting some more rainfall across the island tomorrow, which could be some good news if you have tree planting projects for Labor Day. And we also have two tropical waves that we are monitoring across sections of the open Atlantic, so I'll tell you more about them in the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Romain. The rain dance worked. And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and we will have those later in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you plan to participate in Labor Day activities tomorrow? Give reasons for your answer.
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.